Hello, everybody. This is Hammond from RockIT Alerts, Quantum Rocket Algo. Thank you very much for viewing our second series in hacking algo. Today, we're going to present Rocket Trend Force. Uh, Please do download the PDF. The link will be below the video to get details on how it works, how to set it up, etc. So, this video, I'll focus mainly on a few examples that show you how to trade and how to do your own due diligence, etc. So this one we're calling Rocket Trend Force. It's sort of following the trend, but in a very smart way where risk is minimal and reward is high. So it's very easy to follow visually, and stop loss is controlled to a bare minimum. So that's very important. So here is sort of the background of Rocket Trend Force. There are two types of trends that definitely you can visually figure out on a price action chart for anything crypto, stocks, index, futures, forex, etc. Mainly two types of trend: waterfall trend, rocket launch trend. Now, a lot of us people don't enter because once the trend is running, most of us don't enter it because we didn't catch the bottom of the trend or the top of the trend in terms of a waterfall trend falling down. So there is a high probability of success where you can enter a trend anytime once a party started and definitely scalp out a few gains here and there. Okay, so uh, it delivers the Rocket Trend Force delivers sort of profit 90% or plus of the time. So a consecutive batch of 5 trades definitely will put you in a positive P&L. So this is huge because this is how we want to develop algos where you do a batch of 5 trades continuously on a particular uh, symbol, and you will definitely sort of realize profit 90% of the time. Okay, so it's very simple, and after this I'll just show you some examples. Select any time frame. uh, Add a 5 period exponential moving average to the chart. For higher trading you can set it at 9, but just keep it at 5. And next, so here we'll show you exactly visually, and then I'll just show you some examples, really quick examples. But do download the PDF and study in detail. It'll be worth it. It's not going to take much time. It's a pretty easy strategy to follow. So you can see here's a waterfall trend. It's falling down, and you may have missed it here. You may have missed it here. So let's say you want to sell here at the bottom of this candle. Then immediately, once you place a trade, you immediately set an alert for the top of this candle or the high of the low of the previous candle, and just ride the wave down. However, if it does reverse, your stop loss is when this 5 EMA crosses above that line, the stop loss line, which is either the high of this candle or the low of the previous candle. So you can get out immediately and then re-enter at any time. The same thing goes for a rocket launch trend. Okay, I see the trend here, it's going up. Let me enter here. I missed it up, so I buy. I buy here. Then immediately you see I put this line here at the high or the or the low or the high of the previous candle. And when this when this 5 EMA crosses below, you get out of the trade. And if it continues above, that means the trend is going to continue. Also, try to see if you can enter middle of the trend versus large. Keep notes of supports and resistance. Make sure you're not entering trend a trade when resistance is nearing by for an uptrend or support is nearing by for a downtrend. So here's a few examples. Here's 30-minute SPY. You can do 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever but do your own diligence. Study the chart, pick one or two scripts, one or two symbols, and keep, sort of build a relationship of how the trends work, etc., etc. So here you see I would sell over here and keep my stop loss here. So as soon as this 5 EME crosses this line, I would get out. Okay. So here again, let's say there's a small trend here, and usually Heikin-Ashi candles, Heikin-Ashi candles are good candles to identify good momentum trends. It clears out the noise. So uh, that's what I would prefer, but you can do this simply with normal candles also. So here we would buy here. We would buy at the top of this green candles in this top going uptrend, and here we would place our stop loss. So as soon as this 5 EMA crosses back below, we would get out or else just ride the trend. Okay. Here it's a small trend, but we wouldn't know whether it's a small trend or a large trend. So maybe we would sell here. Sorry, yeah. Maybe we would sell here at this bottom of this candle, and our stop loss we would put here. So as soon as you see, as soon as it crosses, you get out. Now another interesting thing is what you'll realize is once the stop loss is crossed, you'll realize that it enters another trend. You could enter here then. You could enter here and just it's a cycle. So you could enter at the top of this close candle here, and your stop loss would be here at the close at the so at the most you're going to lose the value of one or 1.5 candles, which minimizes losses for you, but you can really ride high. Okay. Now, while riding the trend, what we do is we just place it here. We keep placing it here, keep placing it here, keep placing it here, and as soon as it crossed here, we would get out. So we got in here and we got out there. So that's one way of riding the trend, but our advice is always see profit, take profit at least 50%, and then ride the wave. So at least you get some profit. Remember always see profit, take profit. Okay. It works great uh, with any stock. So let me just go down to maybe 15-minute chart. And here you can see we would sell here and sort of stop loss here at this line and sell over here at the bottom of this candle in this downtrend, waterfall trend. Same thing here, we would maybe enter here. Sorry, I'm not good with these drawing tools. And I would set my stop loss here. So you can see you're riding the wave. So this is TrendForce traders, and we definitely identified a high pattern of probability here. So we wanted to share this hack. But you got to do your own due diligence, feel it, start small. Everything's mentioned in the PowerPoint, in the PDF. PowerPoint PDF document. Please download it and just follow the instructions. There are examples here also, how to set it up, when to sell using normal candles and Heikin-Ashi. Okay. Thank you very much, and please do click our YouTube channel. To subscribe to get alerts for our latest updates and uploads that we do. Uh, you know, uh, don't miss any of our strategies that we do display. And like and share, please like and share this particular strategy with your friends. Thank you. Wish you all profitable trading.